When it comes to securing your home, most homeowners think about locks, alarm systems, and surveillance cameras. While these elements certainly play a key role in protecting your home, one crucial aspect of security is often overlooked: your windows. In Washington, where the weather can range from damp, rainy conditions to hot, dry summers, your windows serve not only as an important barrier to the outside world but also as a point of entry for potential intruders. Residential window replacement is a smart investment that can significantly improve your home's security. Here's how replacing your old windows with newer, more secure options can enhance your home's protection. Improved durability and strength. Old or outdated windows can become weak over time, leaving your home vulnerable to break-ins. Windows that are made from cheap materials or have degraded frames may not provide the level of protection you need. On the other hand, modern replacement windows are designed with durability in mind. By replacing old, fragile windows with stronger materials like fiberglass, vinyl, or composite frames, you can create a much more secure barrier. Newer window technologies offer better resistance to forceful impacts, which can make it significantly harder for intruders to break in. For instance, impact-resistant glass and reinforced window frames prevent burglars from easily smashing or prying open the windows. This added durability ensures that your home stays protected and is more resistant to attempts at unauthorized entry. Advanced locking systems and security features. Another significant advantage of residential window replacement is the opportunity to upgrade your windows with modern locking systems. Older windows might have outdated or ineffective locks, which can be easily compromised by burglars. Modern windows come with multi-point locking systems, which secure the window at several points along the frame, making it far more difficult for intruders to pry or force open the window. In addition to multi-point locks, smart window locks are also available in newer window models. These locks can be controlled remotely via smartphones or smart home devices, giving you more control over who can access your home. Some windows also come with reinforced sashes and tamper-resistant mechanisms, which further enhance their security. By upgrading to windows with advanced locking features, you're significantly reducing the likelihood of a break-in. Preventing easy access with non-traditional window styles. In some cases, intruders might try to gain access to your home through unconventional means, such as breaking through a basement or second-story window. Many older homes have windows that are easy to access, especially in areas like basements or ground-level windows. Residential window replacement offers you the opportunity to switch to safer, more secure styles that deter intruders. For example, installing casement windows or double-hung windows with secure locks can make it harder for burglars to break in compared to older, outdated styles like sliding windows, which can be easily lifted or opened. Additionally, window security bars or grills can be added to ground-level windows for further protection, particularly in basements or areas that are more susceptible to break-ins. Enhanced visibility and natural light windows play a significant role in both your home's security and your comfort. Residential window replacement can enhance your home's visibility, both from the inside and outside. Well-lit homes are less likely to be targeted by intruders. If your windows are old, cloudy, or damaged, they can obstruct visibility, making it difficult to spot potential threats or suspicious activity. New windows, particularly those with clear glass or larger panes, allow for better natural light and clearer views of your property. This not only makes your home more welcoming and comfortable but also provides you with better visibility to monitor the exterior of your home. When potential burglars see that they are easily visible from inside, they are less likely to target your home. Installing bay windows or larger picture windows can also improve the aesthetic of your home while increasing visibility and security. Protection from extreme weather and environmental factors. Washington is known for its wet, windy weather, especially in the western part of the state. Over time, exposure to rain, wind, and even snow can cause wear and tear on older windows, leading to leaks, drafts, and weakened security. Damaged windows can compromise the structural integrity of your home, potentially allowing moisture to enter and cause further damage to your walls, flooring, and insulation. By replacing old windows with weather-resistant models, you're not only enhancing your home's security but also providing protection against environmental elements. Modern windows are designed to provide better insulation and weatherproofing, preventing drafts and leaks that could otherwise make your home uncomfortable or prone to water damage. This added protection ensures that your home stays safe, dry, and secure, regardless of what the weather may bring. Increased home value and appeal. Replacing old windows with newer, more secure models can also increase your home's market value. Potential buyers are more likely to be attracted to a home with updated, secure windows that offer long-term protection and energy efficiency. By investing in high-quality replacement windows, you're not only improving the security of your home but also adding to its overall appeal and value. This investment can pay off if you ever decide to sell your home. Homes with modern windows and security features are likely to attract buyers who are looking for a property that is both aesthetically pleasing and safe. Final thoughts. Residential window replacement in Washington offers numerous benefits for homeowners, from improving security to enhancing energy efficiency and curb appeal. In a state where weather conditions can be unpredictable, investing in high-quality, professionally installed windows is a wise decision to ensure that your home remains protected against the elements and potential intruders. Upgrading your windows enhances your home's safety, comfort, and value, making it a smart investment for the long run. Whether you're looking to increase security, reduce energy bills, or simply improve the look of your home, new windows are a practical solution that delivers lasting benefits.